In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Pixelcut app on Android. If you're looking for a quick, safe way to get Pixelcut on your phone, the best place to grab it is the Google Play Store. Pixelcut is an AI-powered photo editor known for tools like a background remover, smart editing, and ready-to-use templates. It's free to download, has millions of users, and gets regular updates, which makes the Play Store the ideal starting point. Begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You'll find it in your app drawer or on your home screen. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in to a Google account. This helps the download go smoothly. If your connection is limited, Wi-Fi is a good idea to save data, and it's also smart to ensure you have a little storage space available for the installation. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top and type Pixelcut. As results appear, look for the official listing titled Pixelcut AI Photo Editor. You'll notice it has a high download count and plenty of reviews, which is a good sign you're in the right place. Tap that listing to open the apps page. On the app page, tap Install. The Play Store will start downloading the app and then install it automatically. You'll see a progress indicator while this happens. Depending on your connection, it might take a moment, so just let it finish. When the installation is complete, the Install button will change to Open. Go ahead and tap Open to launch Pixelcut right away. You'll also find the Pixelcut icon added to your home screen or app drawer for easy access in the future. That's all you need to get Pixelcut installed. From there, you can explore its background remover, AI photo editing features, and a variety of templates to speed up your design work. The core app is free to download, and you can decide later if you want to explore any optional paid features. A quick tip before we wrap up: always download apps from the Google Play Store first. It's safer because Google scans for security issues, and it ensures you receive updates automatically, so you don't have to worry about manually checking for the latest version. If you don't see the app in search, double-check your spelling, confirm you're on the official listing, or try again after updating the Play Store. If your device says there isn't enough space, freeing up storage usually solves it. And that's it. Pixelcut is now ready on your Android device. Happy editing!